Yo, what's up everybody? If you're into road trips with big vibes and even bigger comfort, buckle up because this one's a straight up game changer. Imagine cruising down the highway in something that feels more like a rolling VIP lounge than a camper. Smooth, bold, and low-key flexing everywhere it goes. Welcome back to our channel, and today we're diving deep into the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper. A rig that's all about style, space, and serious road presence. Right off the bat, the Savana Limo Camper looks clean and confident, like it knows it's got something special going on. The exterior keeps that classic GMC toughness, but levels it up with a stretched limo profile that screams luxury on wheels. The front end rocks a bold grille with sharp LED lighting that gives it that modern, no-nonsense look. This thing doesn't try too hard, it just shows up and owns the lane. The long body flows smooth from front to back, with tinted windows that add privacy and that celebrity unto energy. Chrome accents and polished wheels bring the whole look together, making it just as at home outside a 5-star hotel as it is at a scenic overlook. Step inside, and yeah, this is where the Savana really starts showing off. The interior feels more like a high-end lounge than a camper. Plush leather seating wraps around the cabin, with captain-style chairs and sofa sections that are perfect for kicking back after a long drive. Everything feels premium to the touch, from the soft materials to the solid fit and finish. Ambient LED lighting runs through the cabin, setting the mood whether you're chilling at night or rolling during the day. It's got that cozy but upscale vibe, like a private jet but on 4 wheels. The cockpit up front keeps things familiar but refined. GMC nailed the balance between comfort and tech here. You've got a large touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, smartphone connectivity, and a sound system that absolutely slaps. Seriously, the audio in this thing is legit, perfect for blasting your road trip playlist or just vibing to some chill tracks. The driver's seat is super comfortable with great visibility, and the controls are right where you want them. So long hauls don't feel like a chore. Move deeper into the cabin and you'll find living area is all about space and flexibility. There's plenty of room to stretch out, entertain, or just relax. The seating layout makes it easy to hang with friends or family, and the overall design feels open instead of cramped. Storage is smartly integrated too, with cabinets and compartments that keep your gear organized without cluttering the space. It's practical, but it still looks slick, which is honestly the best combo. The kitchen area keeps things simple but effective. You've got a solid countertop, modern cabinetry, and enough space to handle quick meals or snacks on the go. Whether you're making coffee in the morning or throwing together something easy after a long drive, it gets the job done without killing the vibe. Everything feels well thought out, like it was designed by people who actually road trip. When it comes to sleeping space, the Savana Limo Camper delivers big time. The bedroom area feels surprisingly roomy, with a comfortable bed that's perfect for crashing after a full day on the road. The lighting back here is softer and more relaxed, giving it that chill, wind-down energy. You're not just sleeping in a vehicle, you're actually resting. And that's huge when you're traveling. Now let's talk performance. Because looks and comfort don't mean much if it drives like trash. Thankfully, GMC knows what they're doing. The 2026 Savana Limo Camper comes powered by a strong V8 engine that delivers smooth, confident performance. It's got plenty of muscle for highway cruising and passing without breaking a sweat. The ride is surprisingly smooth for a vehicle this size, soaking up bumps and rough roads like a champ. Steering feels stable, and overall handling is way better than you'd expect from something this long. On the road, this camper feels planted and confident. It's built for long-distance travel, and it shows. Noise insulation is solid too, so the cabin stays quiet, even at higher speeds. You can actually have a conversation or enjoy your music without cranking the volume all the way up. Fuel efficiency. It's about what you'd expect for a V8 limo-style camper. Not amazing, but totally reasonable for what you're getting. Now let's get into pricing. Because yeah, this kind of luxury doesn't come cheap. The 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper is aimed at buyers who want comfort, style, and exclusivity all in one package. Prices typically start around the mid-$100,000 range and can climb depending on customization, features, and interior upgrades. It's definitely an investment, but for what you're getting, the value makes sense. You're not just buying a camper, you're buying an experience. So who is this rig really for? If you want a camper that feels like a rolling lounge, perfect. For road trips, events, or just traveling in straight-up comfort, this is your ride. It's ideal for people who want something different from the typical boxy motorhome and aren't afraid to stand out. And that's the rundown on the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper. A bold exterior, a luxury-packed interior, smooth performance, and a price tag that matches the premium lifestyle. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button. Subscribe for more fire content, and let us know in the comments what you think of this limo camper. Would you roll in one of these, or is it too extra for you? Thanks for watching. Stay safe on the road, and we'll catch you on the next one, right here at Centriview's Hub.